Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock data in Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook. In any cell, type a stock ticker symbol, such as MSFT for Microsoft or GOOG for Google. Next, navigate to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Within the Data Types group, click on the Stocks button. Excel will then convert your ticker symbol into a rich stock data type. Once your ticker is converted, a small icon will appear next to the stock name. Click this icon to reveal a list of available data fields. You can select various metrics such as price, volume, or 52-week high. Excel will automatically populate a new column with the chosen data point. You can add multiple columns to display all the information you need for your analysis. To ensure your stock data remains current, you'll want to refresh it regularly. Simply right-click on any cell containing a stock data type. From the context menu, hover over Data Type and then select Refresh. This action will update all linked stock data in your workbook to their latest values, providing you with up-to-date information for your financial analysis. For better organization, consider placing your stock tickers within an Excel table. This makes managing and expanding your data much simpler. If a ticker doesn't convert, double-check its spelling and ensure it's a valid stock symbol. Excel's data types offer more than just stocks. Explore options like currencies or geography for even broader data integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.